Yay! Oh my god, you have no idea how many like office tours, room tours and apartment tours I've watched. It's so weird to be like doing my own. Hi, it's Scola and welcome back to my channel. So if you saw my empty apartment tour, you'll know that I've just moved out on my own for the very first time and it's very exciting. I'm living in Birmingham now, which is a city in the middle of England. I keep saying north because I'm from the south and anything above London to me is north, okay? Anyway, so I've been living in my apartment for like about 3 weeks now, so it's coming up to a month, but everything is finally coming together. I feel like everything is pretty much done. Like there's just little things that I need to get from my apartment here and there. But anyway, I thought I'd kick off my fully furnished tours by doing a office tour and then I'll do like every other room. But anyway, go and watch the empty apartment tour so you can see what this empty office space looked like before I got started with it. And now we're gonna get into it, okay? I don't even know where to start, there's so much. Okay, let me just sit at the desk because I was going to try to like crouch over and show you. Anyway, so the main focal point of this tour is this standing desk that I got. I feel like this is what really brought this together, and I decided that I really wanted to get a standing desk because they are so good for you, okay? So let's talk about how you can burn extra calories throughout the day when you're working from home. And standing, getting up, walking around as much as possible throughout the day is one of the best ways. It makes such a difference. If I spend the day just sitting, not moving, I don't do anything, even if I do a workout, like it's okay. But when I actually spend the day getting up, walking around, doing chores, doing bits and bobs, then that is when I really see good progress. That is when I really feel active and good and stretched out and all that good stuff. There's only so much cleaning I can do. There's only so many chores I can do, and I can definitely go out and take walks, but sometimes it might be raining, just far too cold, okay? We all have those days. So a standing desk for me just seemed like a really, really good option so that I am continuing to be healthy and I'm continuing to be active and not just spending the whole day sitting. So this desk is from FlexiSpot. It is the standing EQ4 desk, I believe. I will leave all the details to it down below. So currently it is in the seated position. As you can see, there's a little like dial here where you can adjust it to be standing or sitting. Look at that. It is so smooth and so seamless. So you're gonna start to see all these cables underneath. They actually came with like little fixtures so that you can hide the cables and tuck them away neatly. But I've had a lot on sorting everything out, so I hadn't gotten around to actually tucking those away. But yeah, so don't worry about how, you know, cable-y it looks because you can actually tuck that away. I just haven't done it yet. We come up to standing. Oh, look at me. Look at these trousers. These trousers are everything. Okay, so as you can see, this is a standing level for me and I have my laptop and I can just stand here and work. And I can't begin to tell you the benefits of just spending time standing. And I have an Apple Watch as well, which like records how much I've been moving, standing, walking, all that kind of stuff. So it's always so cool to see it being like, you've reached your standing goal because I've actually been working here and just standing. I mean, I'm so blessed that the guys at FlexiSpot gifted this to me, but I would have got this in a heartbeat because I think it's just such a good investment into your health. Especially for me, I have a condition called hypothyroidism. My metabolism is just generally slower, so I have to put more effort into being active throughout the day, and I find that this is going to be that game changer for me. And I'm just obsessed, guys. You can actually choose what you want your desk to look like. So you can have it like have black legs, a black top, or they also had like a mahogany top, oak top, granite, white marble style, or was it like a gray marble style? There are so many options. You can really customize this desk. I was boring and just went for all white just simply because this is gonna be a lifelong desk. Like I want to keep this as long as possible. I was like, my style is gonna change so much. I want it to be versatile to whatever decor I go for. At the moment, I've gone for a very monochrome, black and white style for my office. All the details will be down below. Let's get into the rest of the room, okay? Oh, I forgot to mention, okay, before I go over to this area, I do have this chair that I got from IKEA. It is just a simple chair. I don't know what I was about to say about it, but it was literally only £10. So I didn't want it to be like the most inviting, comfy chair ever because I definitely wanted to be standing more. But that being said, it is actually pretty comfy considering it's just like a basic plastic chair and it was only £10. Another thing on my desk I wanted to show you guys is I have this Lumi sad lamp. Sad lamps are really important, especially for me. I really do struggle with like seasonal depression, that kind of vibe. I just seem to feel a lot lower during the winter months. You also have to make sure you're taking your vitamin D, especially if you're of the darker complexion. You're going to struggle more throughout the winter. So things like this can help and just really boost your mood or just keep you at a good level. So when I'm working at my desk, I always have this Lumi Light on and it acts as a desk lamp because it gets dark so early as well. But anyway, this was probably the biggest main piece that I got from my office, and it is a bookshelf from IKEA. Well, it's like a shelving unit. It's a cubed unit. I got the one that's like got 12 cubes in it. So this is versatile because right now I have it set up like this. I have like my YouTube 100,000 subscribers thing in there. I've got this amazing piece of art above here that I got sent from Evelina. I hope I got her name right, but she sent me this amazing piece of art. It's like my first art piece in my apartment. Amazing, I love it. And then over there in the corner, I've got a lamp that actually came with the apartment. So like I said, it came like furnished. And then I've got my jewelry box and also this little like drawer set that I got from Argos years and years ago. So I actually bought this from back home. Yeah, my office is pretty simple. I think I was getting too caught up trying to make sure that my office was gonna be perfect. But I think I've just come to terms with like, this is just a place that's gonna be good for me to work. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm still really happy about it. I'm like pinching myself that I have this space to work in. Oh, and then over here, I'm so glad about this. So I haven't been able to display my medals in years. Like oh, okay, I have a cupboard over here, by the way. It's actually pretty big. Like it's a big little place I can hang up all my coats and stuff. But I've got my medals, all my running medals. You guys know I love to run, and I had like a 2-year stint where I did a lot of races. I just like having them displayed because it reminds me of what I'm capable of, because sometimes I forget that I've done stuff. So over here, you can see there is a door in the office. Do you know what that door leads to? Ta-da! Okay, you can't really see it from this angle. So this is actually an ensuite bathroom, which is sick. Honestly, guys, I was so shook that this place has 2 bathrooms. So it's so nice if I have guests, if they come over, they don't have to go to the toilet all the way up to my personal bathroom. They can just go to this bathroom. Got a toilet there. And then I've just got like, you know, bits that you have in the toilet. And then it's actually got like a little storage underneath here, which is actually really useful because I can just keep extra toilet paper in there. So I never panic that I've run out down here. And then over here we have the shower, which is really beautiful actually. And it looks like it's not like very big, but there's a lot of space. So yeah, that is pretty much my whole office space. And I just feel incredibly blessed to have this space. Like when I was dreaming of moving out, having my own apartment, like it just felt like something I deserved. It just felt like something I wanted, and I was like, I'm going to get it. And now that I'm here, I've really taken a moment to be like, do you know how privileged you are to have this? How privileged you are to even be able to dream of this and say this is possible. Like, it's so funny. Some people watching this will just be like, this is normal. Like, I have a lot of friends where this was just a normal rite of passage. Like, I have a lot of friends who just were in a position where this is just what you do. Like, you get your own place. Like, you don't really think twice about it. It's just something that's easy, that comes easy. To me, it came very difficult. So to have it is amazing. And even though I know how hard it was, I still know how privileged I am to be in a position to still have this, because it's still not normal. Even if I told you what I had to do to get it. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay luscious, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.